You do not need a cable or satellite subscription to watch eligible Atlanta Braves games in your local market. Braves.tv gives you access through the MLB app on your phone, computer, streaming device, or supported smart TV because there is no separate Braves.tv app. In this video, I will show you how to sign up for Braves.tv, choose the right subscription, create or log in to your MLB account, complete the payment, and start watching on your device. The subscription includes BravesVision live broadcasts, game replays, and pre-game and post-game coverage. However, games shown exclusively on national networks may require access to a different broadcaster. Braves.tv pricing can also change during the season, so make sure you check the current seasonal price, monthly option, available bundles, and free trial details before subscribing. Before you subscribe, first check whether Braves.tv is the correct option for your location. If you live inside the Braves television market, you need Braves.tv or the Braves.tv and MLB.tv bundle to watch local BravesVision broadcasts. A standard MLB.tv subscription by itself will not unlock Braves games inside the Braves home market. If you live outside the Braves market, you may still see a blackout when the Braves play the team assigned to your current location. Next, check whether BravesVision is already included with your cable, satellite, or streaming provider. If your provider supports BravesVision, you may be able to sign in and verify your provider through the MLB app instead of buying another subscription. YouTube TV does not currently carry BravesVision, so viewers inside the Braves market who use YouTube TV will generally need Braves.tv. If your provider does not appear during the sign-in process, check the official provider list and contact your provider or MLB support before purchasing anything. This can help you avoid paying for the same access twice. Once you know you need Braves.tv, open the official Braves.tv subscription page on your phone, tablet, or computer. Choose either the seasonal or monthly option, then compare the Braves.tv only package with the Braves.tv and MLB.tv bundle. The Braves.tv only package is better for viewers who mainly want Braves broadcasts. The bundle also includes out-of-market games from other MLB teams. Check the current price and free trial terms before selecting Buy Now or Start Free Trial. When the sign-in page appears, enter the email address and password for your existing MLB account. If you do not already have an account, select Sign Up and enter the requested personal information. Complete the registration and verify your email address if MLB sends you a verification message. Make sure you remember which email address you use because you will need to enter the same one later in the MLB app. If you cannot sign in to your MLB account, start by checking the spelling of your email address. Look in your spam or junk folder if you are waiting for a verification or confirmation email. If your password is not accepted, use the password reset option. Do not create a second MLB account if your subscription may already be connected to an existing account. After changing your password, sign out of the MLB app and sign back in using the new password. Before continuing with the purchase, review the subscription details carefully. Make sure you selected Braves.tv and not only standard MLB.tv. Check the free trial expiration date, the billing amount, and the renewal information. Both seasonal and monthly subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel before the next billing period. If you purchase the subscription through Roku, Apple, Google Play, or another app store, you may need to manage it through that same platform. When you reach the payment page, enter the available card or digital payment information. Review the selected package one final time so you do not accidentally buy Braves.tv and MLB.tv separately. Accept the subscription terms and complete the purchase. Do not close the page until you see the purchase confirmation screen, and also check your email for a confirmation message. If the payment is declined or the purchase does not finish, check the card number, expiration date, security code, billing address, and available balance. Make sure your browser did not block the payment page or the confirmation page. You can also retry using another payment option shown at checkout. Before paying again, check your MLB account and email to make sure the first payment did not already go through. After completing the payment, confirm that Braves.tv is active on the correct MLB account. Sign into MLB.com and open the account or subscription section. Check that Braves.tv appears as an active subscription and confirm that the email address matches the one you entered during checkout. Do not buy the package again just because it does not immediately appear inside the TV app. To watch on a streaming device or smart TV, open the App Store on that device. Search for MLB, not Braves.tv or BravesVision. Download and install the official MLB app. The MLB app is available on devices such as Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, Chromecast, PlayStation, Xbox, Android TV, and selected Samsung and LG televisions. After installing the app, open it and choose the option for an existing MLB account. Enter the same email address and password you used when purchasing Braves.tv. Complete any activation or login steps shown on the screen. Do not sign in with a different MLB account on the TV, even if another family member normally uses that device. Once you are signed in, open the Games, Watch, or Today's Lineup section inside the MLB app. Select the Atlanta Braves game and choose the BravesVision broadcast if more than one broadcast option appears. If the game has not started yet, the app may show a message telling you that you are early. The broadcast should become available closer to the game's start time. If the MLB app does not recognize your subscription, confirm that you're signed in with the same MLB account used for the purchase. Sign out of the app completely, then sign back in. You can also close and reopen the app. If you purchase the subscription through Apple or Google Play, use the purchase restoration option inside the MLB app. Also check whether the payment is still pending or whether the free trial was activated under another account. If the MLB app will not open or keeps loading, first check whether an app update is available. You should also check your Roku, Smart TV, Fire TV, Apple TV, or other device for a system update. Restart the streaming device. If that does not help, unplug it from power for about 30 seconds, reconnect it, and open the app again. If the problem continues, remove the MLB app and reinstall it. If the game buffers, freezes, or looks blurry, open another app to make sure your internet connection is working. Restart your modem and router, and move the streaming device closer to the Wi-Fi router when possible. Close other apps or streams using the same internet connection. Restart the MLB app and reduce the number of devices using the network before opening the game again. Also update both the MLB app and the streaming device because outdated software can cause streaming problems. If the app shows a blackout message that you believe is incorrect, first check whether the game is being shown by a nationally exclusive broadcaster. Also confirm whether you are traveling inside the opposing team's home television territory. Turn off any VPN, proxy, private relay, or other service that changes your location. Restart the modem or router so MLB can detect your connection again. On a mobile device, make sure location permission is enabled for the MLB app. If MLB still detects the wrong location, contact MLB support. It is also important to understand which games Braves.tv does not include. Braves.tv carries the locally produced BravesVision broadcasts. Games shown exclusively by national broadcasters may instead appear on Fox, ESPN, TBS, NBC, or Peacock, or Apple TV. If one game is unavailable, it does not always mean there is a problem with your subscription. Check the Braves broadcast schedule to see where that game is being shown. Finally, you can manage or cancel the subscription from the same place where you purchased it. If you bought Braves.tv directly through MLB, sign in to your MLB account and open the subscription management section. If you purchased through Roku, Apple, or Google Play, manage or cancel it through that platform. Cancel before the next billing or renewal date to avoid another charge, and keep the cancellation confirmation email or screenshot for your records. That's it for this video on how to sign up for Braves.tv and start watching Atlanta Braves games through the MLB app. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you choose the right subscription, complete the sign-up process, and fix any common problems along the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful streaming and tech guides. Have any questions, or did Braves.tv work on your device? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.